Hello, y'all. This is a quick short showing a customer that had issues. They couldn't figure out why their convection fan wasn't working, but they got online and they found our channel in order to help troubleshoot issues for Rika. They then wrote me, and I wrote them right back. And I said, you know what? It sounds like that you blew a circuit on your motherboard. If you have a brand new fan installed, go ahead and ship it to me. I'll test it. I'll tell you what I find, and we'll go from there. Here it is. You can see what's going on here. Er2. Er2 means that the high limit switch reached 250 degrees and it shut itself down to preserve the wiring and components in the back of the stove from being damaged from too much heat. Okay, that right there is telling me that the motherboard is bad. Now what I do at this point is I take it off the stove and I bring it to my test station and I do the exact same thing all over again. So I actually test twofold on any part that needs to be checked. That way I don't make a mistake. And, you know, if the same result is there twice in a row, then I think we pretty much have it figured out. So if you by chance happen to see Er2, okay, first thing that you're going to want to do is you're going to want to check the leads to the high limit switch. Just make sure that they're plugged in, that nothing came disconnected. Okay. Another thing to check is high limits. There are multiple styles of high limits to where one style that we sell is flat. Okay. And what happens is where you'll notice that the high limit mounts, it's on kind of a rounded base, a rounded part of the stove. If you crank down those mounting screws too hard, it will actually damage the high limit sensor and it'll malfunction to where it could potentially run for a little bit and then shut itself off, or it will act like it's completely dead. It will not start. Okay? The next thing is, if you were by chance messing around with the motherboard. The motherboard has high limit and low limit. Low limit is on number 5 and high limit is on number 6. Okay? If you have the high limit and the low limit flip-flopped on the control board, it is going to malfunction and it is not going to operate. So if by chance that happens to be something that sounds familiar to you working with the motherboard, check to make sure that you don't have them flip-flopped. Okay? So again, the low limit is on number 5, and I'm not talking Roman numerals. Okay? Number 5 is low, number 6 is high. Okay? So if you guys have any questions, email me at offgridstoves@gmail.com. I'm here for you. You can attempt to leave me a message, and I know that there are many individuals out there that don't like to email. Please understand, Julie and I are very, very busy. It could take up to 48 hours to get back to you, so don't get all puffy. And when we do finally call you back, say in 48 hours, don't answer the phone all ticked off and be mad at us. Just understand, we're busy. Julie and I, we're very, very busy. Okay? You guys stay safe out there. Again, any questions, email us. Happy burning. Peace.